In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a status change automation trigger in Monday.com. First, go to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, open the board you want to manage. This is important because automations are created inside a specific board, so make sure you're working in the right place before you continue. Next, look to the top right corner of the board and click Automate. This opens the automation area, where you can build rules that help Monday.com respond automatically when something changes on your board. From there, click Create from Scratch. This option gives you full control over the automation, so you can decide exactly what event should trigger it and what action should happen next. Now click when this happens. You'll be choosing the event that starts the automation. In the trigger options, select status changes to something. This means your automation will run whenever a selected status column changes to a specific value. After that, click Status and choose the status column you want to track. If your board has more than one status column, this step matters because you need to tell Monday.com exactly which one should be monitored. Then click on something and select the value you want from the dropdown. For example, this could be a label like Done, Working on it, Stuck, or any custom status your board uses. The automation will only trigger when the chosen column changes to that exact value, so be sure to select the one that matches your workflow. Once that part is set, click, then do this. This is where you choose what happens after the status change. Monday.com gives you several action options here. You can move the item to another group, notify someone, change another status, and more. Pick the action that fits what you want your process to do automatically. After selecting your action, review the setup to make sure the trigger and action both look correct. Then click Create Automation to save it. Your status change automation is now active and ready to run whenever that condition is met on your board. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's how you set up a status change automation trigger in Monday.com. A good tip here is to test the automation once after creating it. Change the selected status on a sample item and confirm that the action happens the way you expect. This helps you catch any setup mistakes right away and make sure your board is working smoothly. Once it's confirmed, you can let Monday.com handle that repetitive task automatically and keep your workflow moving with less manual effort.